If you're still guessing your portions while cooking or meal prepping, you're doing it wrong. Right now on Amazon, some of the best-selling digital kitchen scales are on huge flash deals, with prices starting under $7. In this video, I ranked the top food scales of 2026 based on accuracy, ease of use, durability, and real customer reviews. Let's find the best scale for your kitchen without overpaying. At number 6, we have the Ultrean food scale, a popular choice for home cooks, bakers, and meal prep users. Right now, it's available with a 30% off flash deal, dropping the price from $9.09 to just $6.99. The link is in the description. This scale supports 6 measurement units, features a clear LCD display, and includes a reliable tare function for precise ingredient weighing. The 304 stainless steel platform is durable and easy to clean, making it perfect for everyday kitchen use. If you want a simple, accurate, and budget-friendly food scale, this one is hard to beat. Check the link in the description. At number 5, the SOYOK food scale is a compact and accurate option designed for everyday cooking and dieting. Right now, it's available with a 36% off flash deal, dropping the price from $10.99 to just $6.98. The link is in the description. It offers 6 measurement units, a bright LCD display, and a precise tare function that makes portion control quick and easy. With 1 gram accuracy and a stainless steel surface, it's ideal for baking, calorie tracking, and meal prep. If you want reliable measurements at a very low price, this scale delivers excellent value. Check the link in the description. At number 4, we have the GGQ food scale, a higher capacity option built for heavier and more demanding kitchen tasks. Right now, it's available with a 39% off flash deal, dropping the price from $24.99 to just $15.28. The link is in the description. With a massive 33-pound capacity, this scale is perfect for bulk meal prep, large baking batches, and family cooking. It features a 304 stainless steel surface, clear LCD display, and is rechargeable with Type-C charging, so no batteries needed. If you want more power and capacity than a standard food scale, this one stands out. Check the link in the description. At number 3, we have the Tcsxady food scale, a compact and practical option for everyday kitchen use. Right now, it's available with a 42% off flash deal, dropping the price from $11.99 to just $6.98. The link is in the description. This scale supports 6 different units, includes a clear LCD display, and features a reliable tare function for accurate ingredient measurement. With its 304 stainless steel surface and slim design, it's easy to store and clean, making it ideal for baking, healthy cooking, and meal prep. If you're looking for a simple, affordable scale that gets the job done, this one offers strong value. Check the link in the description. Coming in at number 2, the Amazon Basics Digital Kitchen Scale is all about simplicity, accuracy, and everyday reliability. Right now, it's available with a 47% off flash deal, dropping the price from $16.99 to just $8.99. The link is in the description. This scale weighs up to 11 pounds, features a clear LCD display, and supports grams, ounces, pounds, and milliliters for versatile kitchen use. The stainless steel platform is easy to clean, and the tare function makes portion control quick and precise. If you want a no-nonsense food scale from a trusted Amazon brand, this one delivers excellent value. Check the link in the description. At number 1, we have the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale, one of the most popular digital food scales on Amazon for dieting, meal prep, and everyday cooking. Right now, it's available with a 50% off flash deal, dropping the price from $13.99 to just $6.99. The link is in the description. It features a 304 stainless steel surface, a clear LCD display, and precise measurements in grams and ounces, making it ideal for weight loss, keto, and baking. The Tare function helps you measure ingredients accurately without extra calculations. If you want reliable accuracy at an unbeatable price, this scale is an easy pick. Check the link in the description.
That's it for today's Amazon deals. All product links are right below. If you want more crazy discounts like these, make sure to subscribe. New deal videos every day. Don't miss the next one.